Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It is Monday morning, 72 degrees and cloudy out today in Ohio. My gosh. And I feel like I got a mustache hair or something tickling my nose. My goodness. All right, if you see me pull some mustache hairs out, it's not due to frustration. It's due to literally them tickling my nose. We got Victor first in the chat, man. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Crack Sports Card, what's going on, man? Market Combat, Clipper, where you at? I'm right here. Sam Demand, number 2, what's going on? Victor, Frank, Cracked, Sam Demand, Moji, Frank, Bobby, good morning to you. Sam Demand, number 2, Vecna, what's going on? Mara Boy, is Mara running? I haven't even seen it this morning. Moji, Bobby, Sam Demand, Bobby, John J, Sam Demand, Dark Matter 521, JJ Camacho, Bobby, Bad, take over, what's going on? Shredda, we've got Simonino, First first in the chat, baby. Chris, good morning to you. Crack Sports Card, Sam Demand, Mr. Simon, Moji, Simon, Dark Matter 521, Sam Demand, number 2, Bobby, Kelly Scott, and JJ. JJJ, you guys got one more. You better do it with me. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. By far one of the best ones that is out there, man. I don't know what it is. PDP started something with that one, and it will never end. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super sticker. Appreciate you. We got Moji and Vecna in here. Let's check out the market this morning. We've got AMC top left sitting at $16.59. My goodness, not bad at all. Up 8% on the day. Shiba Inu coin, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at 11,000, I wish. 1,184 points per coin. Amazing gains there, up 10% on the day. GameStop sitting at 148, up 4.5% on the day. Bitcoin sitting at 22,396. My gosh, almost 22,400. We look at a daily chart. We are breaking up above this daily line right here. Now, everybody beware. It doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to go higher. We could be tapping where this wick right here tapped, and we could come back down and finish the day below that 21.6. You got to keep that in mind, but it is looking good right now with a little bit of resistance in this area right in here and on this wick right here. Crypto doing very well on news of the Ethereum merge. Talking about Ethereum, let's check it out. It's sitting at $1,500 per coin. Not bad at all. Knowing the major level of support down here is at 1,000 points per coin. Already getting 50% over the last week. So looking very good on Ethereum. NASDAQ doing very well today. The NASDAQ tapping this little level of resistance right here at 11,600. It's tapped it once, tapped it twice, tapped it thrice. Is it going to break through or is it going to fall back down? We will find that out. I would say this week we're going to figure that out. So looking at that, it looks very good. GameStop, like I say, doing good. BR Therapeutics sitting up 0.5% right now. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all in the green right now. Pretty good day for there. Sundial sitting up 4.5% on the day, 33 cents per share. Mullinato, $1.06. CEI, 39 cents, up 7, almost 7%. SPY sitting at 0.81% right now. BBIG, $1.06, barcoding like crazy. Highcroft Mining, $1.03, barcoding like crazy. Netflix, $197, not bad at all for Netflix. Redbox sitting at $4.56 right now. Clovis back down to $1.99, down 9% on the day. 10% a minute ago. Revlon sitting at $5.75, basically break even on the day. Luna Classic, 10,500 points per coin, not bad at all. And the QQQ sitting at $295.80 at the moment. Bouncing off some lows down here at $293.97. Interesting. Bouncing off the 294 area. Already back up $1.50 there. So very good. I was able to scalp some puts on that one and made 10% before getting out. So good deal that it's rising back up right now. The overall market doing very well today. I want to watch Bitcoin at the moment. So we're going to see what happens there. Oh, JJ out the gate. Yes, man. I want what you're on. Coffee, dude. Coffee and some water in the morning. I actually haven't even ate breakfast. So that's all I got, man. That's all I got. A little bit of positivity, I guess, goes a long way. Oh, Mara's running a marathon. Let's see, man. What's Mara doing right now? I would imagine it's doing pretty well because, Yeah, 30% with Bitcoin, Ethereum all doing very well there. And we can see the last week has been very good to the crypto space, and the last week has been very good to Mara. I imagine it's doing very well for Riot as well. Yeah, Riot up 20% today, doing very well there. $6 could be hitting $26 again here pretty soon. I applied blockchain maybe. Yeah, this is another one. I want to know if this is up today. Not as well. Okay. Not doing as well today. Interesting. This one here, if the crypto space sees some gains, I wouldn't doubt that you see some decent gains in applied blockchain. Watching it go from $5 down to $1 very, very quickly here in about a 2-week period. So that's another one to keep on your radar if you guys are in the blockchain space and looking at stocks that follow the crypto market. Look at this candle on Bitcoin, ladies and gentlemen, going from 22,300 to 22,600 in a 1-minute period, probably like a 5-second period. Not bad at all watching that Bitcoin there. 92,000, congrats. Nick F, man, go find me 8,000 people. Let's make it an even 100. Nick F, you got to go find 8,000 people for me, man. We got to take this bad boy to the next level and go triple digits on it. Come on, you can do it, Nick F. Let's get it, Raven is kicking. Ravencoin? Is that what we're talking about? Or are we talking about a different Raven? Yes, Sam. Behave. Absolutely. Everybody's Sam Behavior. Vecna will be. No, nobody. We don't need any suffering. Go hit the like button. People, before he tries to give us premium. Ooh, yes, bad takeover. It is true. I'm not going to hit you in the first 10 minutes, but I will tell you this. If we don't have 50 likes by the next time I am thinking about it, you are definitely getting an ad. You are definitely getting an ad on that one, bad takeover. I'm not going to do it in the first 10 minutes, but I absolutely will do it in like the next 10 minutes. So you better behave and you better click that like button right now. Polygon Matic, nice, feeling froggy today, running as well. Polygon doing very well over the last couple of weeks. Polygon sitting 80 cents the last time I looked. 97 cents right now. My goodness. 80, so oh my gosh. Yeah, Polygon doing very well today, man. Polygon is absolutely rolling. And the good news is, if you pull this bad boy back out, it is retesting this level right in here. It's going to come up on $1 here pretty soon. And $1 is significant, right? $1 is a nice round number, and it does have a little bit of resistance in this area. So Polygon really looking to set back off. And Polygon partnering with Disney, right? That's what we got going on there, driving some mad gains over the last month or two. So Polygon doing very well today, up 30%. That might warrant a Polygon video here tonight. I don't know, man. Might warrant a Polygon video. I don't know what you guys think about that, but oh man, I'm telling you, 30% gain. People are gonna be looking at it. I don't know, 8 people, let alone 8,000 people. Oh, Nick F, man, Nick F. It's time you meet people, man. It's time you go out and meet some people. Somebody out there that knows 8,000 people. Get them to sign up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll send you a free shirt. Hey, you guys. Podgy, what's going on, man? I won't be getting an ad. I have premium. Bad takeover. I'm going to try my best to give you an ad, man. I'm going to try my best to break your premium. Liberal likes black coffee, not your regular Starbucks. It is true, man. It is true. I just drink black coffee. That is a fact. Raven, yes, Ravencoin. Is Ravencoin running? I have not looked at Ravencoin, but wasn't Ravencoin like 2 cents like 2 weeks ago? Ravencoin, ladies and gentlemen, sitting at 2.8 cents, up 18% on the day. Not bad at all. My goodness, not bad at all. Ravencoin doing very well, going from 2 cents to 2.8 cents over the last week or so. And could be coming back down. Look, man, Ravencoin had a very nice 2021. Ravencoin could be coming back down to that 1 cent mark where it's hit those lows. So that'll be interesting to see. But yeah, man, I do have some Ravencoin, so it's nice to see it going back up a little bit. Ravencoin that I have mined, and you guys couldn't even see it, man. Come on, Clay, bro. Throw the chart up there when you go pull the chart up. Yeah, anyway, Ravencoin had a beautiful 2021 here and currently ticking back up a little bit off these 2 cent lows, sitting at its 2.8 cents right now, 19% on the day. So very nice for all you Ravencoin fans out there. If we don't have 50 likes in the next 20 minutes, I'm clapping all your cheeks upside down. Yeah, I don't even know what that means, man, but you don't want it to happen because whatever Vecna says usually ends up in your suffering. What's good? What's going on, man? They have a huge announcement coming in 2 days. Dark matter, Polygon or Ravencoin? Which one are we on right now? Polygon or Ravencoin has a huge announcement coming in the next 2 days. He said Disney is small. Ooh, we're talking about Polygon. Disney is small. Dude, I've actually never heard anybody call Disney small. So these guys, listen, these guys might be getting a little bit ahead of themselves. I hope not, but they might be getting a little ahead of themselves. Calling Disney small and saying that what they got coming up next is going to be even bigger than that. Good morning, Clay, bro. AMC Theater. Frank, what's up, man? Good morning to you. And AMC's doing very well today. Up 8% on the day, man. Look at these gains. Looking very nice. This is what we were talking about. Remember, we were looking at this level of support and resistance right in here and wondering whether or not we could break this little level right in here. It's $16 per share. Well, you know what? Today is some beautiful confirmation. We could actually just run up right here to $17.50, $18 per share into this next little cluster of resistance. So we got a nice breakout this morning. Loving the green action on AMC. Following the overall market higher. Yes, it is. It's turning out to be a very good day for AMC and GameStop as well, being up 5% right now. So we like it. What should I invest in? I haven't been making any moves in crypto. Crack Sports Card. Look, man, I know that crypto's doing very well today. I know crypto's been doing very well over the last week. But I also know that nothing has fundamentally changed. So I am currently still bearish until we get some bullish turnaround in the macroeconomic environment, man. Maybe inflation, interest rates, and so on. People are actually excited that the Fed is most likely only going to raise interest rates by 75 basis points. Dude, I say only. That is still a drastic increase. And I say they're excited about it. And the only reason they're excited about it is because it's not a 1% increase in interest rates. So it doesn't necessarily make sense that people are excited about something that could have been worse. It's still bad, but it could have been worse. So that's making them excited. That alongside the Ethereum merge happening here with a tentative date of September 19th. So crypto seems to be doing very well. I'm still sitting on the sidelines until I kind of see the overall market start to turn around. But, dude, we got a nice little bull run going on here, bringing us back up above the I guess, tighter channel of resistance. Yes, probably got catch. You still hold my bag. This roller coaster isn't done. Heck yeah, I made a little boo boo at 27 million Shiba at 001. Now I'm 15 million at 001. I get a bigger picture. It's not that deep. Yeah, dude, Chris, not that bad, man. And it has run up a little bit, yes. But like I say, man, I still think crypto could go down in the short term. I still think that the overall market has some bearish sentiment out there that needs to be dealt with. So I do think that you can get better prices or average down and so on. But yeah, dude, you're still doing well if it decides to run and make some gains there. I just shared you to Twitter and my Facebook feed. Frank, man. Frank is actually trying to get us to 100,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, Frank. Really appreciate you. And it's single-handedly, Frank's going to take us to 100K. I know he is, man. I know he is. We definitely have to be careful right now. This might be the bottom, our last push before the bottom. Yeah, dark matter. Look, this is what we were experiencing a couple months ago when Bitcoin was trading in this area right in here. Okay, we did have a nice run up. People would have loved to have broke out of the channel that we were in this area. It ran up, and it couldn't sustain it. Came back down, tried its best, and then it fell through. You know, we do have a nice run today, and very similar to the run we had back here at the beginning of July, but we ended up with a wick that brought us right back down into this little channel. We absolutely could end up with a wick today that brings us right back down into this channel, and Bitcoin loses another $1,000 to close at that 21.6 level. I mean, that's an absolute possibility. Even if it closes up here, and even if it comes all the way back up to 23, 24,000, you know, it still doesn't mean that we can't turn back around. So I'm still unfortunately bullish at the moment, or bearish at the moment, sorry. I'm still unfortunately bearish at the moment, and, well, look, you know, if inflation starts to slow down, if interest rates start to rise, I think it could be an excellent sign, and this may have been the bottom, right? If we do nothing but go up, and then we start to get good news, and we continue to go up, it may have been the bottom, but it's very risky to go ahead and try and buy something like that knowing that we're still sitting on a ton of bad news out there. There's no excitement in crypto. Some rich billionaire needs to give a kickstart so we can get pumping again. Roulette wheel. There is no excitement in crypto right now. You are absolutely right on that, man. People very discouraged by the cryptocurrency market, and it's obvious on basically all social media platforms. I just can't wait for the market to go up. Need my profits. Jose Soto. Yeah, man. I also cannot wait for the market to go up. To a TikTok cut, you'd be there overnight. What do you mean, Moji? Do a TikTok. I don't even just make one. I have a TikTok, but I don't even know what you mean by do one. Thoughts on Clay Inu? Anything with the word clay in it is going to be successful, Mr. Simon. So I like Clay Inu. Thoughts on a burrito coin? It's like a burrito coin, but it involves all of the bros. Simon Inu, those two coins I could get behind. As far as Floki Inu, maybe not. P.S. It's creepy. John J. I don't know what's creepy, but darn. Just found out 3 Arrows Capital filed for bankruptcy because they had huge holdings of Luna, which tanked, causing the exchange to fail. Yeah, roulette wheel. I saw that. And then there were actually some other exchanges. Up something? Uphold? Upstart? Up something, man. I don't know. Some Asian exchange. They only had like $20 million, but they shorted $20 million worth of Luna Classic during the crash, and a couple of the bounces actually broke them. So they lost $20 million of customers' funds shorting Terra Luna Classic during the crash. But because it had those bounces where it went from like 10 cents to 70 cents or whatever it was, they busted their account and lost $20 million. So Terra Luna Classic tore apart. It teared apart, right? Terra's tearing apart. So many different centralized authorities that it's ridiculous. Makes you wonder, man, whether or not that was planned or not. But yeah, bad news there. I was gonna we still have to wait on the Fed report, and they are going to skip August and have another September. If it doesn't do good in August, they're going to dump the markets. Bad takeover, yeah, man. I really think that I really do think that they're going to bring us some bad news, and we're gonna see more destruction in the markets. Sure did not see you on Paul's channel. Sports cards have it. No, sports card never suffer. It must be blocked by accident. Let him know. Well, nobody needs to be blocked anywhere. Feels like okay, we get D in here. I feel like the investors of the stupidity. I did not make a purchase of dips in the Shibs or Cardano. I could not figure out the bottom of the price's value, and I really blew it. Okay, no, D, man. D. You didn't blow it, dude. Shiba Inu coin is up what? Basically 10% from where it's been hanging out recently. Yeah, it would have been nice to get a little 10% gain. That would have been great, but it's not necessary. And don't ever kick yourself for getting in at the bottom. If you truly think that this is the bottom and we are going to rise now, whether you get in at 1,000 points per coin or 1,100 points per coin, that part's not going to matter. You know, you're still going to be able to ride it from 1,000 to 8,800 again, or from 1,100 to 8,800 points per coin again. So if you really are kicking yourself right now for thinking that this was the bottom, go ahead. You know, make your purchase. I personally don't think this is the bottom. I think we just have a nice bounce going on right now. And yeah, it could go a little higher, but I still think we've got lower to go because of everything that's going on in the market. But dude, you can't kick yourself over a 10% move. Why? Don't do that. Don't kick yourself over a 10% move. It's all right. When you're there, shut up at the end of the stream because I left like 5 minutes before Clay started. A lot of it. He was there for a lot of it. Let him know. Shut a good deal. I will do a short on Talk for you. Do it, man. Frank. Dude, Frank's the man. I love this. Y'all think the stock market is trying to break crypto? Diamond 1990. I don't think that the stock market is necessarily trying to break crypto, but I do have like an eerie feeling that the government is trying to break crypto, and all of these old guys that are in power are trying to break crypto, either because they don't have any and they want to try and get some, or they want to continue to remain in power and they realize that something that works and is decentralized takes their power away. So I do think that there's like that's floating around in the back of my head, man. People saying Do Kwon wants to get back in. Luke makes me nervous. Like you stay away, you failed. You know, dude, dark matter. Do Kwon better not get back in Lunk. Look, he better not get back in Lunk. He did. He abandoned the project. He went over to Terra Luna 2. He's tearing apart Terra Luna 2. And he might want to get back in Terra Luna Classic because he sees the value of the community, man. I mean, that's not hard to see. There's people out there that are supporting Terra Luna Classic right now that were never around when Do Kwon was there. But he needs to realize that they're not supporting him. They're not supporting his project. They're supporting their project. He abandoned it. He left it. And he's not going to rebuild it. He's got his Terra Luna 2.0. He's got all of his friends or developers or whatever he wants to call them that moved along with him. And he's got to let Terra Luna go. He's got to let Terra Luna Classic go, man. It's the people's coin now. Clay Bro, Lil Tim, what's up? You heard of the project Bluebeam? I have not. Also, Clay, I've been getting younger coworkers to join AMC, Shiba, and Weeble. Told him he should have did your link, but it was too late. Darn. Chris, did he at least use your link, man? He should have used somebody's link. Definitely should have used somebody's link, but it's all right if he didn't, man. It's all right if he didn't. Definitely should use somebody's link, though. Well, is it smart to take profit by converting it into a stable coin like USD, and then if the market goes down, dollar cost back in by using your profits, not financial advice? Yeah, James, it is, man. It is. And look, if you're trying to move into a stable coin, USDC, it depends on where you're holding, right? If you're on Weeble or something, you could just sell it out and get your cash and then and buy back in later with your cash if you'd like. But if you do believe that we're in a trader's market right now, meaning we're going to either see some channeling or some choppiness or even some downside that we've got left to go, and you want to try and take advantage of the bounces that we're in, yes. That's a good strategy, right? You have to figure out where you believe the market is going, at least during the time frame that you're interested in trading. If you think that we've hit the bottom and we are only going to go up now, you know, selling the peaks and trying to buy back in on the dips could be a strategy, yes, but you're keeping that upward momentum. You're keeping that underlying trend to the upside by selling peaks and trying to buy back in on dips. But you can burn yourself because you believe that the market is going to continue rising from here. If you think we're going to channel, okay, put your lines on the graph where you think we're going to hit the tops, the peaks, and the valleys, and potentially go in and maybe sell a little short if you want to, but try and buy on the dips and try and sell on the peaks. And your sentiment is kind of sideways action. We're going to continue trending sideways for a while until the overall market gets a catalyst up or down. If you think that we are trending to the downside, okay, then be very cautious of